fucked it. This is gonna be a voiceover. What the fuck am I looking at? Oh, voice. This might not be the video. This could be the wrong call. Man, that busted my finger good. Holy piss.
That's just because you're cold.
Hey. Look how the piss. Oh, that right there. See that?
Yep.
That's content. People love seeing shit get broken.
Wash fingers.
Oh, the whole fucking siding's coming with it. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, boys.
Man tries to change Raven. Needs new siding.
So maybe that's a pull-in moment.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Yep.
So we got a shot of that. We'll just put a little subtitle saying, remove outer cover. And make sure the pipe will go inside. Okay. Ow! That wall is like a... Oh! The wall is like a cheese grater. There's a wire sticking out from the vent. It's all going to shit.
It's all going to shit.
I'm blooding.
Oh, no. Nice. Oh, I got your face.
That's okay.
You're going to have to edit it.
I'll cut that out.
This is very bad. I'm not a very good cameraman.
Oh, that's all right.
Going closer. A little Ken Burns action.
I like it.
Should we look close up?
I don't know, we're sticking out pretty far. Like that? Oh, there it goes.
Oh,
Anything.
trademark.
I don't know why I did it like that. Battery's dead. Okay. Quick silicone. Cut your tip on a 45. Just the tip. Go heavy. Job done. Got that guy. We got that guy. Look at that.
Now try to figure out the
Yeah.
jigsaw.
Try to find yourself a perfect 90. Oh shit. Both sides are crimped. But that's okay, because when you crimp shit like me,
It's hella crimped.
it's gonna work perfectly. That side's a little better. side looks flat. Does it?
I can't see
Yeah,
it.
it's definitely flat. Okay.
Oh my. Let's get in there. Oh god.
Oh, that's a fire hazard. So what you're gonna want to do is replace that. We're not going to, but you should. Oh, butter. Oh, butter my biscuits and tell me I'm beautiful. That's the money shot.
I started laughing when I missed your whole face there.
Oh, it's okay. We got it. We got it.
I am not a good cameraman.
That's all right. That's what tripods are for. You're gonna unstick the unsticky stuff from the sticky stuff. And you're gonna put the sticky stuff on the not sticky stuff. And we're gonna make it sticky.
I don't think this needs a voiceover.
And just like that, we have stuck the sticky stuff to the non-sticky stuff, so make sure that nothing comes out of the areas that are non-sticky. Just one more for good measure. Because that's what people pay the big bucks for.
Yep.
Is good measures.